Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we are going to talk about regression plot without confidence interval. So you see that we are having the confidence interval here. So the blue line is my regression line and we are having the shaded blue as the confidence interval. But when I run the code, we see that we are having the blue line and also the shaded part. In order to not have the confidence interval, we need to slightly modify the code. So first of all, let's start with the code. We are importing the necessary libraries first of all. Then we are generating the data. We create a data frame. In order to create a data frame, we call the data frame function from the Pandas library. And the data frame is called data. And we are having two features, okay, two data sets, let's say, that they are normally distributed, but the second one has a different mean and scale. We choose the white grid for better visualization of our figure here. And in order to have a white grid, we need to use the set style from the Seaborn library. Then here we have the size of our figure, so 8 inches by 6 inches. Then we are having the label of X and Y axis. X equals feature 1, Y equals feature 2, X equals feature 1. You see that the label is there. Y axis has the feature 2. And then the data for the reg plot equals the data frame that we created above. Okay, then we are having the title, regression plot without confidence interval. So regression plot without confidence interval is the title of this figure, and we call the show function to display our figure. But now when I run the code, we see that we are having the confidence interval, and the figure shows that with the these two features here we are having. So when I run the code, you see every time that I run the code, a newly data is generated, and actually the figure shows a very low correlation between feature 1 and feature 2, and slightly we are having a slight upward slope for the regression line, showing that with the increase of feature 1, the feature 2 will also increase, but it's very weak. Okay, so this is what we understand. But how can we remove the confidence interval? In order to remove the confidence interval, we simply need to add this part of the code. So when we are calling the reg plot, simply we need to in the end we need to have ci equals none. When we are having that, meaning that CI means confidence interval, that stands for confidence interval. Confidence interval equals none. So when I run the code, in the next data that is generated here, we see no confidence interval, therefore we see no shaded blue here in the plot. So in order to remove the confidence interval, we simply can have this part of the code, confidence interval equals none. So in this video we learned how to plot a regression plot without confidence interval. Thank you for watching.